Now here we go. The next interesting topic, that is the cell organelles. Just previous standard or in previous period we already study about the cytoplasm. Now next one, that is the cell organelles. This is a figure. This figure image shows that the different organelles that present inside the cell. And organelles, that is a specialized subunit that having a specific function within the cell. For example, they are organ of the cell. We called it as a organ of the cell. This organelle is also called as the organ of the cell. Each organelle that has a own lipoprotein. Each and every organelle that has a their own lipoprotein membrane, means covering. And third one, except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. Now cell organelles and nucleus, this is our next point. This is your cell, and this cell has a different organelles. This is first one, nucleus. Then second one, this is a cytoskeleton. Then third one, it is a cell membrane. It is made up of lipid bilayer. We just studied at previous topic, previous point. Then next organelle, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. Here you see that there are two types, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then the next organelle, that is the ribosome. This ribosome present on that endoplasmic reticulum, then we called it as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then the next cell organelle that present only in the plant cell, that is the chloroplast. It is one type of plastid. It is green in color. The next one, the centriole. The next one, that is the centriole that present in the cell. Then the next organelle, that is the Golgi apparatus. We called it as also the chemical factory of the cell. Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex, these are the name of these Golgi bodies. The next one, the killing mechanism, that is called as the lysosome. Killing mechanism of our cell, that is called as lysosome. Then the next cell organelle, that is the mitochondria. Here is the mitochondria. Okay, it is called as also the powerhouse of our cell. And the last one, that is the vacuole. And you know that in animal cell there are number of vacuoles are present, but it has in smaller size, and in plant cell there is less number of vacuoles and have the large in size. So here are the cell organelles that present inside the cell, or we can say that in the cytoplasm. Okay, so once again, nucleus, cytoskeleton, cell membrane, then smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, then ribosome, then the chloroplast, then centriole, then Golgi bodies, then lysosome, then vacuoles. So these are the cell organelles that present in the cell, and each and every one, they can perform the different functions inside our cell. Now here we go to perform the practical for observing the cells that present in our oral cavity. Okay, so first of all, we should do this. For doing this practical, we require some apparatus like slide, then needle, then ice cream spoon, then methylene blue indicator, then cover slip, microscope. Okay, we are requiring this apparatus or requirements for doing study of the cell. So first of all, what we do in this activity, first we take a drop of water on a clean glass slide. Then after that, using the ice cream spoon, gently scrape the inner surface of our cheek like this. And after that, the cells that present on that or smear that present on that spoon, ice cream spoon, we just transfer with the help of needle on the slide. Okay, and after that, by using the water drop, we can spread that smear evenly on the slide. And after that, we use an indicator, methylene blue. This stain we use for that smear, and after that we put the cover slip, and after putting the cover slip, we can observe under the microscope. And when we observe under the microscope, then we observe that there are nuclei of basal cells and nuclei of gustatory cells. Clearly we can observe that inside that microscope. So the dark round or spot that you seen under a microscope while observing the onion peeling, that stain with iodine, that is the nucleus. That is the nucleus of that cell. So by doing this activity, we observe that the cells that present in our mouth, okay, we can easily observe under the microscope by doing this activity. So this is about the nucleus.